nice to have a helper work on the car. Putting in Raxiom LED headlights. Got my little helper here. My little helper. Yeah, I got this bulb in. These are really simple. Basically just plug and play. Pull out your old bulb. There. Unplug the back. And then you get the bulb. And there's a little wire. This little wire here screws into your resistor or heat sink, whatever you want to call this. And this just gets plugged in. I'm gonna find a spot to put double-sided tape on this and mount it somewhere, so it's up and not hanging. I do recommend putting a little dielectric grease on them. I did have LEDs on this car before, but they burned out. I think I'm going to mount this right here. And we'll go to the other side. I have to take out off the air cleaner though to get to that one. Looks like my helper got tired out. Alright, here's this side. Double-sided tape this on, and then just to keep them over out of the way, I tape the two wires together. And now got to take off cold air intake. Well, just the filter to get in here to get this side off. Okay, so this side is real easy to get. Yeah. As I say that, I keep getting it out, pull her out, and then you just press the little button there. Looks like she's going to stay laying there. So I put a little dielectric grease on the connector, the stock connector. I'm going to put some on there. And I'm going to get these bad boys on and try them out. And they work. This is low beam. This is high beam. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications for when